Hi there, Buff. Ivan here. Hey, just want to give you a quick video of this thing, just so you can be certain of how to put it together when you get it. I'm going to take a few parts off it to ship it, just to keep it safe. I explained, I think, that there's magnetic breakaways on the wings. So you can see this front one here has a three-way pattern, which matches the brace there. It should just find its own place that way. So I'll leave that wing off. I'll take this brace out of there as well. One wire there's longer than the other to help make it easier to insert it back. The top wing is the same, and that one there, when I replace it, I'll just hook that and drop it on. It's pretty easy once you get used to it. And that rear brace will come out as well. And there is you see right here, there's two little stoppers on there, so when you put it back in, it'll go down those tubes to the right height. The bonnet does slide out if you want to see what's inside. Just grab it by the gearboxes there and pull it forwards. Suggest if you need any change of direction on the motor that maybe you could swap the lead wires, but maybe flip the gear on the other side. Just tucks in there like that. And there you have it. Just real quick, the rear wing brace goes back into the tube. Right side, left side, be easiest. Push it all the way home. Front one with the forks pointing forwards. Long leg, short leg, all the way home. Front wing on, rear wing on like that. There you have it. A Sprintcar made in New Zealand. Really hope you guys love this thing. All the best to you, Buff. All the best to you, Ben, and your families. It's been real good fun putting this together. A couple of great guys have helped do the paint and some of the plating and the building as well. Hope you really love it.